Good afternoon, class. So today, we're going to be continuing our understanding of the periodic table, but also learning how to use Excel along the way, which is super hype. So as of last time we learned that you can put in numbers in Excel, in columns, A, B, C, D, E, and in rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're actually going to use the data and represent it in a different way. We're using Google Sheets, which is similar to Excel if you've used that before, but we're going to be actually making plots. So here we have throughout data of atomic radii, ionization energy, electronegativity. You're not going to now seeing what your plots are going to look like in the future. And so first we're going to work on the atomic number and atomic radius plot first. So the fastest and most simplest way to do this is if you were to highlight C and D. So I press shift to highlight, or you can just drag over them. And then you're going to go into insert. There are a lot of options. You want to go to chart. Oh my gosh, you're done. You're so done. So Excel automatically did a couple things. It said your x-axis is the title of column C, atomic number. And it said that your y-axis is atomic radius, right? That's your column D. And then it plotted your data. And it's a little hard to see, but if you hover over it, you actually see that your data points are all connected together. Now, I personally rather see the data points. So something you can do is you can click on your data, and then you see these options in the chart editor come up, right? And so here what you can do is that you have a bunch of options. You have custom setup, which tells you what type of chart it is, and then customize. First, we're going to go to customize. I want you to take a look at the word series that I think automatically comes up when you click on the series. And then you're going to notice that the point size is none. Let's make it 7. And now we can actually see the data points that Google Sheets connected together. So what is our independent variable in this plot? Right, it's atomic number. And then what is our dependent variable in this plot? Correct, it's the atomic radius, or our y. Do you see how the title turns this? It's an automatic title is the atomic radius, our dependent variable versus our atomic number, our independent variable. This was all automatically given to us. Another thing you can do is actually drag and pick which data you want to do. So let's say I only want to do the first 10 elements. So what I can do is I can highlight only specifically this number. We're going to go to what next? Correct. Chart. And then what are we going to do next? Look at the point size. Correct. Now, if you wanted to change the title, you can always click on the title, and then here's the title text. Atomic radius of elements 1 through 10. And then you can also change the series, which was automatic for me. Atomic radius is in picometers. Atomic number is in numbers. It's unit list. Awesome. Now, imagine if I only wanted to do everything in group 1. What I'll do is I'll make a copy of the original spreadsheet. Sorry. We're going to make a copy, duplicate. We're going to name this atomic radii of group 1. And then what I'm going to do, and this will be a little tedious, is I'm just going to delete the data I don't need. So helium, you're not group 1. Delete. Beryllium, you're not group 1. Delete. You can do this, but I'm not showing it to you intentionally. Now I only have group 1. I'm going to highlight these cells, format, chart, and now we see the atomic number. What am I going to do next? Add my series legends, or make my dots here. So this is only one representation of the atomic radius in a group. One thing you can do is you could actually say, actually, I want to see only the data points. Or, actually, I kind of want to see it as a bar chart. Or, actually, I want to represent it this way. Or, for some reason, I want to represent it, the area underneath it. So that was all for this lesson for right now. You have a lot of data. It is your responsibility now to make plots according to our activity sheet and study the relationship between the atomic radius and the atomic number, or the ionization energy, or the electronegativity. So I want you to make all these plots. It's just a click and drop. And that's all. Have a great day. Bye.